What's going on, y'all? Crazy Pop here. Tonight we have something special for you. Man, we're making some red velvet cakes right here in this Blackstone Air Fryer. That's right, in the air fryer. These things are super simple. They're really easy to do, and they're really delicious, and they're super just small. They're perfect to share. They're perfect to keep for yourself, however you want to do it. You know, a lot of people around the holidays, they hand out, they share their cakes or whatever. You can share these. Also, speaking of holidays, here comes Thanksgiving, here comes Christmas. You got to get away from the traditional stuff that we're cooking on the Blackstones. That's what we're trying to do. So check this out. We're fixing to show you some awesome stuff here. We got some more awesome stuff coming down the line. While you're here, though, go ahead and check down below. Hit the subscribe button. If you are not subscribed, please consider doing so. If you are subscribed and been here, man, we appreciate it. Thank you so much. Also, while you're down there, check out our links. We have a Facebook, we got an Instagram, we got a Pinterest, we got a Twitter, we got a snail mail, we got an email, we got all kind of things down there. We even got a Blackstone Griddle playlist. Check that out. You might find something there you've been looking for. Who knows? Can't never tell. So you get all that done, and we fix to show you how to make these. Now here's something you don't see us use too much on this channel is our air fryers. We have used them, but we use them a lot when we're not recording, and we love this thing. We got to get this thing warmed up to make some cakes. So what we're going to do is try to focus you. There we go. We're going to turn this thing on. Oh yeah. Turn the fan on. We're going to turn this down to low, as you see. Let's get that heating up. We fixed them, get the cakes made up. Now when mixing your cake, we follow the directions exactly by what the box said. The 3 eggs, the milk, the oil, and just let it mix all together and get good and mixed thoroughly, and then it'll be ready for your pans. Now to make these red velvet cakes, it's like I said, it's super simple. What we're using back here is we got some Betty Crocker super moist red velvet cake that we've already pre-mixed. Got it all mixed up, looking all pretty. We got us some rich and creamy cream cheese icing. Of course, red velvet cake, got to put some walnuts on top. So we got some crushed walnuts, or chopped walnuts, crushed, whatever. Now, here's where it gets a little different. We're using these Blackstone rear grease liners, rear grease cup liners. You pick them up in the Blackstone section. They are perfect for making little cakes, little mini loaves. And we have 3 of them. As you can see, there's 2 there, 1 here. They are perfect for these cakes. And we have some Baker's Joy back here. I about forgot it, to spray the pans with so the cakes don't stick. And there's our mix right there. Okay, air fryers are heating up. Showed you how we're making this and what we're doing. It's time to get this stuff in the pan. So let's get our Baker's Joy right here, and what we're going to do is just grease the pans up. Get them good and coated. And then we're going to pour the mix in. There we go. 1 box. Some of my stuff out the way here, y'all. 1 box of cake mix. We'll do 3 of these. So now what we want to do is we want to take and fill about halfway. Go about halfway on them. Now this last one, you're going to have to kind of scrape the bowl, get all the goodie out. Then what you want to try to do is just make them even. There we go. It's all good. So now we have 3 of them here. Once that air fryer is heated up, we're going to put them in there. Let them cook for roughly 30 minutes, and we're going to check them with a stick, make sure there's nothing on the stick. And then we're going to make them up and get them ready. Cakes are ready. Air fryer is good and hot. Let's pull us a basket out here. So what we're going to do is just take a cake, set in there like so, just like that. Now, One air fryer can hold 2 cakes. Would you look at that? Pop it in there. Get the other one out. And of course, that don't really matter because it's gonna be all lonely in there. Get that in there. And now it's just a matter of waiting. We'll check in about 30 minutes, see how it looks. Y'all, it's been 30 minutes and it is smelling so good out here. You can just smell them cakes. You know how it smells like in your grandma's kitchen when she's cooking them cakes? We have this cooking area smelling like that right now. These red velvet cakes are really smelling. So we got to check them. Let's do that. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, let's check these. Yeah, buddy, that's looking good. Let's get our stick out. We'll see if there's anything left on it. And not really. Yeah, that one's not done yet. See there? Yep, those still got a little way to go. So we're gonna close them back up and let them cook for just a little bit longer. All right, y'all, it's been about 15 more minutes. Let's check these things. Let's check the lonely one out. Y'all look at that. Oh, she's ready, y'all. We'll set it right here on the rack. Let's check these other ones now. Oh yeah. They're ready, y'all. Get out here, set them on the rack here, so they can cool down. Turn the air fryer off. And here in a little bit, we're gonna be ready to ice these things up. All right, let's go ahead and take these things here out. Remember that spray we put in there? Look at there. Comes right out. Oh man. Y'all look at there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let that cool a little bit. Let's look at the bottom side of that cake there. It's so moist and soft. Look at that. Man. I don't know if I'll be able to wait or not. Go ahead and get this one out. And there you go. Red velvet cakes. We'll let them cool a little bit and we'll get that icing on there and some of the walnuts on there. And we're going to try them out. Alright, we got them out of the pan, out of the air fryer. Air fryer's off now. We're going to let these things cool down just a little bit. And we're going to get them ready. Okay, guess what? These things have cooled down a little bit. And they're still just a little warm. I want you to look at how beautiful they turned out. We're going to cut the tops, kind of level them off a little bit, and put some cream cheese icing on there. Now this one here, I don't think I'm going to mess with it. It turned out pretty good. Let me know in the comments down below if you like your chopped walnuts on top of your red velvet or not. Some people do, some don't. So I'm gonna do all 3 of these with them. Because trust me, nobody around here is gonna complain, I promise you. Now, you could go as far if you want to ice the sides. We're not. We're gonna leave them like this. We gotta try these things out, y'all. Well, y'all, it was that easy. I mean, look, we got 3, I call them mini red velvet cakes, little loaf cakes. You know, you can take them to share them. You can make them for get-togethers. Great for the holidays. You know, whatever. So easy to do in the Blackstone. I got to try a piece. I think I'm going to try this end piece right here. Let's try that. Perfect. This is delicious. I really didn't expect all this out of an air fryer the first time we tried it. I was really amazed. So I figured, hey, why not share it? Now, we have done other cakes in the Blackstone. Be sure to check out our playlist down below. You'll find it in there. Let me know what you think. Let me know if it's, if you want to try it, let me know. Let me know if you like your nuts on top or not. I don't, some people don't. So get all that done. Check out our playlist. Hit the subscribe button. And thank you for being here. And we'll see you next time.